Hello viewers, welcome to the Friday Friendly Kitchen, and this is another meatless recipe that I'm going to show you. It is South Indian potato fry or potato masala. Masala means spices, so I'm going to show you the way how my mother make, and this is my own family recipe, so I'm willing to share with you. So stay tuned, and yep. I'm going to start off by warming up the wok. And approximately about 2 tablespoons of oil. Always remember that in Indian cooking or in Asian cooking, we do not use spoons and measuring. It's upon estimation, so don't worry if less or more. It's always good. So we learn from mistakes as well. But I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to tell you the proximate measuring. So heat up the oil, and then we'll add more ingredients in it. So hello viewers, I'm going to start off with 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. So I'll wait until it cracks. Hello viewers, and the mustard seed is almost starting to crack, and at this point I'm going to add the Bengal grams. It's about a teaspoon, and we will saute. Okay. So I'm going to saute this until I see the change of color slightly. And I'm going to add the Urad Dal. You may be wondering, in my cooking I add a lot of Urad Dal and the Bengal grams. Well, it enhances the taste. The more the ingredients are, and it blends, as long as it blends together, it brings out the flavor and the taste. So we'll wait for the Urad Dal to change its color, and I'm going to I'll start adding the cumin seeds. And now I see the Urad Dal is changing its color, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. At this point, I'm going to add cinnamon stick, 1 stick, I've broken into pieces, and also 2 dried chilies broken. And at this point, I'm going to add the chopped onion. I'm using only a big half onion. Just bring whatever that is sticking the balance. And I'm going to add some curry leaves. I used 1 sprig, and I also chopped into half. And at this point, I'm going to add the salt according to the taste. So the onions will become softer and become translucent. Always remember, when you are using dried chilies or fresh chilies and you don't like the spice level, always remove the seeds, so it will not be that spicy. In my recipe, I use this brand of chili powder, and if you can find it, you just go and buy it from your local grocery store. Any Indian grocery store, sometimes they sell it in the Oriental grocery store. Remember, the brand is Baba's. And now the onions has already been translucent, and it's time to add the potatoes. And I have 3 medium-sized potatoes which I've already peeled and chopped, and I'm going to add them. These tempered spices has already been coated, and now is the time to add the chili powder and the turmeric powder. So I'm going to add approximately about half a teaspoon of chili powder, or maybe a little bit more, another quarter teaspoon. And 1/8 of the turmeric powder, or quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's give this a quick mix. Let the spice powders get coated with the potato. And I'm going to add a little bit of water so the potato will cook faster. And remember, the water is from the potatoes. So let's cover it up and cook it. So let it cook for the moment. Until then, we'll wait. Hello viewers, the potato is already been cooked. Now I'm going to add some tamarind juice. I've already added the tamarind juice. Now I will wait until it all mixed together, and we'll come back later. Hello viewers. As I add the tamarind juice in it, it's already been absorbed already, the potatoes, and it's already evaporated. So, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. It's an optional if you want. And just give a quick mix. This is just to balance the flavors of the spices and all. And I'll be garnishing it with some cilantro. See for yourself, viewers, how beautifully the potato masala turns out. And I'm going to add the final part. It's the cilantro. Just a few sprigs, and to mix it up together. As I have added the cilantro, and that's what we are going to add, and this is what it looks like, the potato masala. And I'll show you later with what are the things that it goes on, especially the lemon rice or dal or few other things. The dal recipes will come out soon, so stay tuned. And happy cooking for now.